Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Max Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 10 sum. Let's see the question. Find the coordinates of a points which divide the line segment joining A and B into 4 equal parts. So they have given A and B. 4 equal parts means here one part, here is another one, here is another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts means 3 point in between them. So they have given A to be minus 2 comma 2, B to be 2 comma 8. Let us take this to be P, Q, R. The points to be P, Q, R. Now if you see, before P there is one part and after this there are 3 parts. But for Q, before the 2 part, after this 2 part. So Q, it is an equal divided, it is equally divided. So we can take 2:2 for Q. That means if there are equal parts in front and back, that means it lies in the midpoint. So it lies in the midpoint of A and B. Q is the midpoint of A and B. We can directly write this to be Q is in the mid of A and B. Therefore, midpoint of AB is Q. So you can, to find Q, we can use midpoint of AB as it is in the middle way. So midpoint formula, write midpoint formula to be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Now we can substitute the formula to find Q. So Q is equal to AB, x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. So if I substitute in the formula, it becomes minus 2 plus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 8 by 2. So here it becomes Q 0 by 2 will become 0. Here 10 by 2, that is 5. So Q value is 0 comma 5. So we have found Q to be 0 comma 5. So I'll write it here. Now if you see, now we have found the middle value, that is Q value. If you see P is in between A and B, A and Q, because it is in the midway. It has one part in the front and one part at the back. That means it will lie on the in between of A and Q. If you take midpoint of A and Q, we can find P. Midpoint of AQ is P. So we have written the midpoint, we can directly substitute the value. While taking, please be very careful that P is middle of A and Q, not A and B. So substitute the value of A, that is minus 2 comma 2, and Q value, that is 0 comma 5. So Q value we need to substitute the formula. This becomes x1 y1, this becomes x2 y2. Just substitute in the formula, minus 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 2 plus 5 by 2. So here it becomes minus 2 by 2 and 7 by 2. We can't cancel this, we can cancel this. So P is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. This is the value of P. We have found the P to be minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Now we need to find R. Here if you see R lies in between Q and B, because one part here from Q and one part to B. So we can say that midpoint of QB is R. So we can substitute in the formula, that is 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 by 2. Here 2 by 2, here 13 by 2, it becomes 1. So R value is 1 comma 13 by 2. So Always write the answer at the bottom as PQR. We have found all the three points. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.